Oh, what's going on over here? Oh.
She's wearing her panties on her head.
Oh, are those her? I thought it was a hat.
No, those are her panties.
Nesta.
It is so beautiful.
Cold outside. It's cold outside.
Training panties, training panties.
She likes her training panties, Andrea.
What's that?
Andrea.
She's all about those training panties.
Hilarious.
Well, we got five.
That
Grandma's red little guy, don't you?
is some costume that she's putting together on herself there.
Is it not? Look at that costume.
I didn't forget about that red toy, you know. See, that's a cookie job. That's my M&M job. Yeah. That's very cool too, though.
Yeah, great.
What?
Oh, dude.
It ain't from me.
I'm so pumped.
When we get
Lay it on me.
Wait till you see it.
More pumped than a guitar pickup?
Are you ready?
You have another one for her?
Oh, that's for me. I got that.
Oh, yes.
Isn't that awesome?
That is so awesome, Rachel.
Nesta. Nesta.
Is this stainless steel or what is this?